have not seen anything like it.
Hi, I'm Raksha, and this is the product I was talking about last week. It's a product called Videobook from Homingos. Let's just open it. It looks like an album, photo album, but using the right tool, it can be turned into video. So all of these photos can actually be videos, and you can save travel memories like I did, or you can use it for weddings or events or special occasions. And the best part is you can get a free video card for yourself or someone you love. Watch till the end to find out how.
In order to buy a video card or a video book, go to homingos.com, register with your mobile number. After verifying the mobile number, you will find options to buy a video card, video book, or Big Wish cards. Video card is where you upload a video and get it printed on the card. Video book or ViBo is a video cards album, and Big Wish cards are personalized messages from celebrities. If you want to buy a video card, click on video cards, order a video card and upload the video. Video has to be less than 100 MB in size, it's mentioned over here. Make sure that the video is well lit. Note that you can't choose the frame that you want to get printed. Rather, the best frame from the first 10 seconds of the video is automatically chosen. I've noticed that some of the printed cards have more shadows because there is a difference between printed colors on video book or video card and the digital colors video on mobile. Make sure you have bright colors in the video, and they're also working on fine-tuning it. Next, add a message, add the address, check out and pay. Use the promo code if you have one here. I'll be providing one at the end of this video, which can be used by the first 10 buyers to get the product for free. Next, enter your payment information and it's done. I received a video book or ViBo from Homingos. The title and description of the album is over here. You can find the name at the bottom. In the first page, instructions on how to use the album can be found, and it's quite simple. You can follow the same procedure for video card, video book or ViBo and Big Wish cards. Start by installing the Homingos Magic app from Play Store or App Store, or scan the QR code provided in the video card or the video book. Log in with your phone number. Scan the photo page with the app camera and your video will start playing.
Tomorrow morning you confirm.
Duty uniform ready.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock you coming. Job signed.
Takes it one notch higher. It's so cool. Wow, it relived so many of my favorite travel memories. Audio as well. So all of this happened because I had a chance meeting with Rajat, the founder and CTO of Homingos. So we met through a mutual acquaintance at a brainstorming session for his startup, and Rajat told us about his startup and the product that they are building, and it sounded pretty cool. We hounded him with so many questions and I wanted to get my hands on it ever since. This was just before the lockdown, and then the whole lockdown phase happened. It got delayed, but here we are. I also had a talk with Rajat where he is explaining about his startup and the product that they are building. So I'm gonna share some snippets here so that you get some more information about it.
Good insight that people love to see what happened in the past. That's what way photographs takes you. So we thought that maybe a video can do that much better. Like, why hasn't even anyone thought of like how can we print a video? So there are a few parts of the technology. It starts with image tracking, then image recognition, then real world 3D. So there is a mix of technology that is required to put it all together. You relate all the digital stuff to the physical thing because there has to be a one-to-one translation. So that was a tough part, and that's where the entire scale was getting a big problem. Like if it's all digital, it's very simple, but because a print and everything is involved, so it becomes very complicated.
And here comes the best part, you can use this promo code TRH100. The first 10 buyers can get 100% off on Homingos Videocard.
All you have to do is pay for packaging and delivery charges, which comes around ₹100. It might vary based on your location as well.
Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I just turned 30. So in the next video, I'm talking about 30 best things I did before I turned 30. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Bye bye.